Toku hi tawe tawe, tai rua toru whaen. Toku hi tawe tawe, i te pahi. Taku mo wai roki roki. And then up. I te kai papa.
Ko te waiata Hunara na Te Tū Mataora. Ko te take e kai ngā kaunui ana hau ki tērā waiata nā te mai mōhio ai ki te tangata mōna tēnā waiata. Oti rā ko ngā kupu, tāhua. Mai te tīmatanga ki te mutunga engari, there's a part and it's like, something like O te tū mataora, e tū mata te ngā, ko manawa reka, kua manawa ture kura. I just think it's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Like, he tino toki tērā tangata, te tangata nāna e rā kupu I tārai. Tāhua, even that first lines is like... Ko tātou katoa ko rongo I e rā momo kare āroto I te rironga atu, I te wehenga rānei o tētahi I a koe. Nā reira ko te whakakupu mai I e rā momo kare āroto, maroto I te waiata. Tainoa ki te whaiwahitanga mai o te rangi. Oh man, tāhua tērā. Koira te tahi waku tino waiata.
He te tau hoki, wairua maera. And just that e te tau e, my beloved. E te tau hoki. Yeah. Fall in love with it, fall in love with it. Wow.
When we were first workshopping this way, there were some parts that we didn't quite understand. In particular, the duet part kind of sat somewhere really different. I was like, and everyone was like, that's a little bit strange, a little bit out there, it doesn't quite fit properly. And there was one point there that we almost like thought, maybe we just don't do it and we just connect the two parts that were sat on either side of that duet.
Yep, so we don't want a squeaky hey, not hey. So just a nice, rounded, want some depth in the
Ko whenua te aki ua te paraone patua I tōku ingoa. He uri tēnei no te tairāwhiti, ki te taha o tōku pāpā, no Ruatoki. My last stand was 2014 for whangara mai tawhiti, but the goal is to return home and stand off the kapa again. Some of the people who have influenced me in Te Auhaka has definitely got to be my auntie, Maureen Brown. She sort of had me under her wing, but this is actually the first time we've actually sung together, so it's definitely buzzy.
It's beautiful. Let's go. I'm going to go sit next to Matua Mike.
And then I just wanted to remind us, whānau, that this song is literally about true love. So just also keeping everything that Rob's saying, but also remembering what we're singing about. So it doesn't have to be rah, but still out there sound. Yes, you do. It's all its pains and its heartache and all of the happiness.
And it was Ruthie that explained the deeper workings of that love connection that talks about, I hinga te whai ai po a tētahi o tā rātou kapa, and ko aua waiatara in the duet, he tino waiata ki te tangata ko mate, ki tōna hoa I mahue mai. And it wasn't until that point that everything clicked. The whole song clicked.
In terms of being able to do this sort of mahi and showing our rangatahi, actually, kapahaka can get you places. You know, we're sitting in a studio in front of cameras, we're travelling the world, you know, we're doing all these different things and the disciplines that come from haka take us there.
Feedback. The back half of that song is on point. Tānema, in your verse, is timing, staying on the timing. And then for the wahine's verse, it's just agreeing on the phrasing. Yeah, so that we all sync in. And the last part is the first, Hunara. Hey, so it might be good to just turn the click up a little bit so that we stay in the time. Hey, Hunara, and then you get the key, jing, takuhi, tawe. So 3 things, 1 for the boys, 1 for the girls, and then 1 for the tira.
I think the importance of what we're doing now has come from what has been left to us. And I think that's where the hard work was done. Whereas I feel like we've just been slotted in to do this mahi, and I'm not sure where the impact's going to be in time to come.